Okay guys, I'm not really sure how far I am out from this crash here, but I think I might see some lights. We are up in the national park here. Both trucks were dispatched for a crash up here. It looks like I started filming just in time. Not really sure what's going on. It looks like it might just be the one vehicle. It is raining horribly. So we are going to see what's going on. Looks like Jeff hopped out here and he's talking to him. It looks like it's just one vehicle, so I'm assuming he'll probably just scoop it up on the rollback and then we'll probably be on our way. Looks like the tires get ready to hang off of it. I don't know if you guys, I'm sure you guys cannot see anything at all. But back wheel is completely caved in and looks like he's got some camber on there that's not supposed to be there. So I will pick this back up and we'll figure out what's going on. You getting this one?
I'm gonna get this one. Connor said the first one just got front end damage.
Okay, so is it further up?
He's gonna take you up.
Okay, all right,
yeah,
cool.
It's further up, but he said you should be able to get this one. It's just got front end damage. It's got all of its wheels.
Okay, I'll follow him.
This in the back. Okay, be careful.
You too. Okay guys, it looks like there is two that were involved. Let's see if I can clean off this camera lens here. We are going to follow Connor in his patrol car up and hopefully get this other one loaded up. So I'll pick it up when we get there. Okay guys, I don't know how much of this you guys are gonna be able to see because it is coming down in buckets and this guy needs winched out. So I did not expect to be doing a winch out. So we're gonna see what we can do. Oh my goodness. Shoo-wee. Okay. Maybe I'll come back with it. I think I'm gonna spin around and then that way I can pull it back. I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. I think I'm gonna spin around so that way I can pull it back and it's not up on this. You have the keys for it? Yeah. Okay, perfect, perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna get spun around and then...
It's really super right here.
Okay, thank you so much. Hopefully I can grab this front and spin it without any issues. But who knows? Fun night. It looks like it. Again, I'm not really sure how much you guys can see.
These are in your cab by your phone.
Thank you so much. I'm hoping it'll pull pretty easy.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's anything crazy. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's a huge puddle.
Step right in it?
Of course. Sorry to keep you waiting, man.
Oh, you're fine. I got caught out for this one and I saw the other one on the way up.
Oh, really?
I thought that was the one I was coming out for.
I thought they were involved in the same thing. I was kind of confused.
Yeah, their lug nuts came off, their tire fell off.
Oh my goodness.
They basically just skidded right into that pull-off.
Shoot.
Thank you, earned the money tonight.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the light. I appreciate you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you wait out here in the rain. That's the worst. And then you got to sit in the cruiser all soggy.
At least I got the impound done before it started.
Okay. I don't know what that is. That's
Go in.
toss that in there somewhere. The rain will not quit. Guys, it's just me here, so. See if I can flip this back. Perfect. Perfect. Hopefully I can spin the front around. I think it's all-wheel drive anyways. Okay. Let's see if I can get this unhooked and then drag it up onto the road and get some dollies on it and get it out of here. Oh, goodness. I think it's all-wheel drive, so I think I'm gonna have to dolly it. I'll get this picked up and then I'll back up to it and then I'll pull it over there and then get it finished loaded up. Perfect. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm sorry. Not really, surprisingly. This has been about it. Make sure those are both hooked. Perfect. See if I can get one strap down before I start trying to drag it over there out of the way. I'll have to strap down at least one before I can drag it over there and finish getting it hooked up, so. Sorry. Okay. I'll see if I can drag it over here. Sorry about that.
No, you're fine. You get it.
I appreciate you. It seemed like it was rolling, but I'm pretty certain these are all-wheel drive. I'll check. I could have swore they were four-wheel, all-wheel.
That'd be my guess.
I'll climb under it really quick and see. Yes. All-wheel drive. Give me just a second. Hopefully this is a better spot to load up in the middle of the road.
Usually at this time of night, it's not that busy anyway.
People are still crazy.
Yeah, especially with slippery.
Oh, for sure. Of course, Jeff is going crazy fast trying to get here too. He's a madman. Middle, back. Okay, I'm almost done. Perfect. Alrighty, I guess these are going to our lot?
Yeah, I got an impound.
Okay, thank you. The rain just won't quit. Yes, sir. Make sure my hands are as dry as possible.
Where that X is.
Right here?
Yep.
I'll try not to.
He's got valid insurance. He crashed and then called out and reported it later. So
Yeah. Awesome. Again, we appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
Especially for making sure I'm not getting run over. Thank you so much. You have a good night. I don't know if you guys saw me wring my gloves out or not. Oh, and Covin left his windows down. Rookie mistake. Oh, goodness. Diet Coke, where are you? Okay, let's see if we can get this thing to the lot. Okay, guys, a pair of soaking wet gloves later, and a pair of soaking wet underwear later, we made it back over to the lot, and I have got one glove that you guys can't even see. One glove. Let me see if I can turn some lights off. Maybe I've got a big light here. Covin came prepared with a ginormous flashlight that I didn't use once because I was busy. Anyways, thought that I would show a little bit more damage here since we're back at the lot and not stuck there. That's, I mean, that's pretty intense. I'd say, looks like his, radiator support damage. It looks like there's a, he's okay. He's got full coverage. So I'm sure he will be using that. Anyways, Covin about backed it off into the creek, but it's okay because he's got full coverage, so it wouldn't have mattered. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Obviously, I'm not gonna do that. It's on dollies, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. It's something. It's got a rear axle back there somewhere. So, let me see. I didn't really get much of the backstory on this one here. Spoke with the ranger there, Connor. He said that I didn't actually get any of the backstory on this. All I heard from the ranger was that this gentleman has full coverage and that he was okay, and that he has the keys, and that it was going back to our lot, and it is released back to him whenever the insurance company wants to pick it up. So I'm assuming that he was not under the influence of anything. It has been torrential downpouring tonight for about the past 4 or 5 hours. So if I were to guess, probably just lost traction there and ended up sliding off the road and hitting a ginormous boulder. But anyways, I'm gonna see if I can get this thing unloaded and head back home. Okay guys, I was just making sure to turn off the hazards, and I thought I'd give you guys another little look, an actual little look on the inside there. I really need to move it, but I'd hate to drive it. I'd hate to get in there and move it around, so we're gonna leave it there. That is pretty gruesome in there. I was not aware of that. Anyways, I'm gonna go and put these keys up and put this ticket up and head home. See you guys there. Well, see you guys in the next one. You guys won't see me in my house.